Hi, we are back with Amber on the Go. Today we are on a property called Pier on the 7th, and as you can see, it's a sunny day, and our goal is to meet the property manager here and to understand what makes this property an absolute best for student housing. So, Pier on 7th for you guys. As you can see, this property is right in front of a Kroger's and a Baptist church. It's pretty amazing and pretty convenient there. Now we'll be going inside of the property.
Hi, my name is Jocelyn. I'm the leasing manager here at Pier on 7. This is our leasing office. Any food deliveries are going to be left on this counter over here.
Please. Say cheers for the camera if you would like.
This is the front desk over here, and this is the USPS mailboxes. They're all specific to each apartment, and then we have the package room over here. It's our butterfly system. The system will also be in the front at the front door here. You'll get a notification when you have a package, and you'll be able to type in a code as well. Do you want me to go over like prices and stuff like that? Or?
Yes, it'll be fun. Yeah, if you can talk about the amenities and if there are any additional charges. Not typically the layout, rooms and cost, it's not necessary.
Okay.
But how the configurations are, some are shareable, some are sold by the room, some are sold by the apartment, some are sold by the bed,
Right.
all of that, those categories, yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. This is the parking garage. It is covered. It's a gated parking garage. All residents with parking will get a sensor.
Yes.
The parking is currently $175 per month, and it's all reserved spots. And then there's another elevator on that side of the building.
Okay, thank you.
We have two private study rooms here. It's all first come, first serve. We don't reserve any of the amenity spaces. Sorry. This one has a nice view of the courtyard and then the TV in here as well. And this is the fitness center. It's open 24 hours.
A fitness center with a view, huh?
Yeah. View of Kroger's and High Street.
So it's a pretty happening area.
Pretty what?
Pretty happening area around.
And this is the study lounge. You have the booths, the couch areas in here. This is where we have most of our resident events.
Okay.
And we have the coffee machine over here. It's hot chocolate, chai, and different roasts of coffee. And then I need to clean up the stuff out here. Yeah,
Okay.
like I would have. This is the penthouse lounge on our 6th floor with the roof terrace. Oh my gosh. We're not gonna do that.
That's okay. I'll be in the deck.
These chairs go out here.
Wow. Look at the penthouse deck.
This is the penthouse lounge with the roof terrace. We have the TV here. We host movie nights.
Okay.
Model unit.
Yes.
It's gonna be on the other side.
All right.
Are you gonna record all for the hallways?
Typically, yeah, because then it's a time loop.
Okay.
It's fun.
Gotcha.
We've seen people like it. If there's no lift, just a walk, then it'll be
No,
fun.
you can record that.
Yeah.
We have recycling and trash chutes on every floor. So the
Okay.
recycling will be on this side, and then the trash chutes. So this is our model unit. It's a 2-bedroom, our B1 floor plan. All of our units are fully furnished, and all of them will have the same finishes and appliances. We have the refrigerator here. My favorite feature is the ice and water dispenser, microwave, stove, and the dishwasher. And the furniture included would be the TV mounted on the wall with the entertainment stand. This specific floor plan has this extra chair, but all units will normally get a couch here or a smaller one for like studios, and a coffee table, and these stools for the kitchen island. This floor plan has a balcony.
Yeah.
View. Really nice view of downtown.
Yeah, it's a pretty good view.
The bedroom here. It comes with the bed and the desk, so it's a full-size bed with a memory foam mattress. There's drawers underneath the bed and a desk and a chair. This one has the in-suite bathroom.
That's the
And a
storage
closet,
unit.
yep.
Yeah.
And then on the other side here in the hallway, all units will have an extra closet here. This is the washer and dryer.
Got it.
And the other bedroom and bathroom. And that one will have the bathroom outside.
That's part of the property? Yes, I was just waiting on you.
Okay. So this is one of our courtyards. We don't have everything out for the winter, but there's usually hammocks over here. We have
Wow.
the outdoor furniture with the fire pit. These balconies right here are our B3 floor plan with the largest balcony that we have at the community with the private balconies. They're not shared.
Okay.
Then we have another courtyard. apartments are on floors 2 through 6. There's a penthouse lounge upstairs, and then our model unit, which would be the only one I'm able to take you in. It's our 2-bedroom.
Hey, so I just wanted to know what makes this property special? Why do you think kids would book this as compared to any property around the downtown or any other area?
Yeah, that's a good question. So we are a new community. We opened in 2024. We are fully furnished, very modern vibe to the whole community. We also have Kroger's right across the street,
Yeah.
so it's very common for students not to bring their cars while going to OSU. So we do have the garage, but we also have the Kroger's grocery store right across the street.
Yeah.
We lease per bed. We offer a roommate matching program for students on the application. You can fill out preferences that you would want in a roommate and stuff about yourself. So we offer the roommate matching, and we also do 3 to 4 resident events per month. At Pier on 7th, our Wi-Fi is included in the rent along with trash chutes, and recycling on every floor. And one of the recent resident events that we hosted was a Easter egg hunt on, I believe it was the Friday before, and we had the residents go around and find the eggs throughout the community for a gift card.
Thank you. Thank you so much.